understanding and being comfortable with walkover airflares, then comes the time to learn a real airflare that is executed with a hop from one hand to the other. Now, when first unlocking your airflare, it's probably gonna have a high angle. But when combining it to the windmill, you develop ease, comfort, and trust. So you can just start throwing yourself more and more. As you can see in this video right here, this is what it looks like the first couple of months when you learn and unlock your airflare. Then throughout time, your airflare starts to lower itself. Then you don't give a fuck anymore about breaking your neck or injuring yourself because you've done it so many times that the fear of crashing has completely left your body. This is when your airflare really starts to lower.